So this is Kemppi K2 MMA 400 power source. So in this ampérage is 80 we are setting here, and we will set here the hot start. So this is the hot start. So hot start generally varies from 0 to 100 amperes. So we will set without the hot start. So we will set here hot start 0. After setting hot start 0, we are doing welding. So it is 80 amperes here in K2 MMA 400 power source. So now we will show you that cellulose coated 6010 electrode. After that we will do the welding. Please bring cellulose coated electrode. So this is our cellulose coated 6010 electrode. So with the help of this electrode we will do the welding. So please insert the cellulose coated electrode in holder. Okay, so now we will do the welding.